Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to be updating you on the pairs that we discussed on Monday. So, I'm just going to give you an update on those pairs, and we're also going to be forecasting our entries. So, the first pair that you're looking at is going to be what the euro over the Australian dollar. So, this one already spoke about it on the Monday session. So, this was supposed to be what the second potential entry that you should have executed, but I could not execute this one. Why? Because I already had another euro NZD trade running. So this one would have taken me out for a break even, because I would have entered on the breakout stops above the high and all of that. So this one would have taken us out for a break even, but as we evolve, we can see that okay, this is not developing into being what this potentially larger structure. But I am still looking forward for those overall sales impulsive movement, followed by a small corrective structure. This is how I'm looking to enter sales on Euro AUD, minimum at least for a 2%. So this is how I'm looking at Euro AUD. So the next one is going to be at the Euro over the New Zealand. So this one, high time frame, we're having what this continuation structure from the breakout, and on the mid-time frame, having what some corrective structure. So this one yesterday I did share it. So it did enter on the breakout, price take this in, move the bit, and then eventually did drop, giving us what our TP. And now currently, as we are looking at price, you do see this is our impulsive movement, and price is giving us what this potential corrective structure. And if this does break out, then we'll enter on the breakout, stops above the high TP for at least 2%. So this is how I'm looking at what euro over the New Zealand dollar. And for our final pair, which is the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this one, high time frame, we're having this corrective structure that's from the breakout for that bullish movement. And mid time frame, we've been having these continuations. This is the second one. And over here on the low time frame, I did speak about waiting for price to give us at least a continuation that we can use to enter. Price did present, so I could not execute this one also because of the time, but this is how I would have executed. And from the breakout stops on the high. So this one also would have taken me out for a break even. So what am I looking for to still be able to execute on this one? Simple impulsive movement and then a smaller corrective structure, because this is also evolved into being what this type of continuation. So this is how I am looking at that, the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this is how the watch list is looking like. I'm most likely to execute what euro over NZD, because it's already given what a valid pattern that I can use to execute on the breakout. And as for the rest of these ones, we just have to wait for price to give me confirmation. And if it aligns with my trading plan, then I execute. But for now, guys, this is going to be the end of our session, nice and short. Hopefully, you are keeping up with these sessions, guys, to make sure you're up to date with the pairs that you're looking at. For now, this is the end of the session, and I'll see you next time. Take care.